In this video, I'll show you how to make Gmail in dark mode so that when you're using it at night, it's not going to be like a flashbang in your face. And it's very simple. All you have to do is open up Gmail and select the settings option at the top right. Once you hit settings option, you're going to see this theme. This is what you want to select. You can select any theme that you want. You can give it rocks, for example, or the city, but the one that concerns you is this one right here. So the dark mode is what I'm going to select. Once I select dark mode, I'm going to hit save, and it might take some time for it to take place just because it's a full reset, but you can already see that when you open it again as pick your theme, dark is already set. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to refresh the page, and now there you go. Now it's in dark mode. Let me show you what it looks like in a different theme. Maybe let's use the rocks, the pebbles, and then yeah, you can see in the background it changed to the pebbles. So it looks like it's just a preview until you hit save. So feel free to play around with it, choose what you like the most, and you'll be good to go once you select what you like personally. And it's just that simple.